Hi everyone, welcome to Syllabi. So basically from a desktop or a laptop, you're just going to go to syllabi.io and click register. You're going to select Kitsilano Secondary. The verification code for Kits is Kitsilano Secondary 2019, all lowercase, no spaces. You're going to put in your first and last name. And then you're going to put in your email. And lastly, you just create a password and then confirm that password and click submit. So now this is the page where you're going to see all the course content. Just right here, you're going to be able to basically see where all the due dates from all the classes are. So we're going to go to add a course. Now, if your son or daughter is in Math 11, you're going to find that math class. You will need to know their teacher name and the block of the class that they're in. And you'll add it to your calendar. And now you'll see that all the due dates from that course have populated to the calendar. So you can see what the homework assignments are in that class. Then we'll just go and we'll add the school calendar, which is already here, but this will allow you to see all the school due dates. So you can see that there's a UBC presentation on this day, there's a collaborative day, a Pro-D day on today's date. You can see all basically the school information there. Now just add the other courses, Biology 12, and maybe we'll say English 8. Hopefully they're not in Biology 12 and English 8 at the same time. But so now all the courses here have been added to the calendar. So you can see all the due dates. So if say you click on this assignment, which is due end of day Friday, you can see the upload. So it just downloaded there. You can view the document and see basically what the assignment is. And there we go. We'll exit that. And see the other homeworks for the other classes, presentations back on the school calendar. And now we can actually go to the agenda as well. So if you just want to see it, basically kind of the entire year laid out along with the assignments on the right-hand tab here, you can see it right there. And we'll just go back to the main page. And now if you want to push the classes to your Google Calendar or your iCalendar, you can do that just by clicking these buttons. So these will allow you to instantly sync it to your Google Calendar. So once you've done this on your laptop or your desktop, it will automatically sync on your mobile device as well. And you can just basically do that for all of your classes or your students' classes. And just any announcements will basically populate on the right-hand side here. Okay, thanks you guys for watching, and feel free to reach out to us at onboard@gosyllabi.com if you have any further questions.